Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Which, I might just call this an emergency update because yesterday, all of a sudden, which was unexpected by me, in the video we did talk about the possibility of going up like to 29,400 and getting some bullish momentum, but I did not expect a move that would make us technically bullish again, because the moment we actually broke above 29,700, we technically were bullish. And you could argue that we still are. I do think that after that bullish breakout, so during last night, some things happened that are not ideal, even though we're still holding 29,700, right? So technically we are bullish, but I would say that we need to wait for a bit more confirmation. Like we're right now we're in the middle of some sort of a reversal where we were bearish, and now we can actually become very bullish again. So we can get back up towards 30,300, 30,800, and perhaps even higher than that. So that's what I wanted to talk about. We'll do a full analysis on that. We'll talk about some news as well, which might be one of the catalysts behind the move that we've seen. But just in general, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know, all right? So before we dive into that, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades, but you also gain access to my trading guide and access to an exclusive chat room full of traders. If that sounds interesting, then consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get right into the video. Let's get right into Bitcoin. This is not Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin. So altogether, like the thing that happened yesterday was overall it was unexpected. Like the market structure was quite bearish. Now what we saw yesterday though is that the volume, just like last week, I mean if you take a look at last week right here, the same happened. Like we got a lot of bullish momentum on Tuesday. The volume also went up to those same levels. Here you can see that the volume last week even went up towards 22 billion, which could still happen today as well because the volume is still going up. But yeah, it's just the market structure right now. You could argue that it's bullish. You could argue that it's in a consolidation. But personally, I'm just waiting for confirmation. I closed all of my pending trades. And I'm just waiting for some sort of a bias, because right now I really think we're still somewhat in the middle. I think we're leaning towards a bullish scenario because we are still holding 29,700. But altogether, the way that I'm looking at the market right now is the following, and that is that we are stuck between 29,850, which is also a strong support/resistance level. And then this level right here, around 29,500. I think this is the area which we are in. And what we're going to see today is a bullish or a bearish breakout. And at this point in time, like I said, because we're holding 29,700, we actually have to assume that it's more likely to get a bullish breakout above 29,850. And that will get up towards those 30,300, 30,400 levels, and that will actually get more bullish momentum in the upcoming few days. Now, I must say that we have some big news coming tomorrow. That's going to make the market move. Inflation rates, which if that's higher than expected, then obviously we are still going to drop down. And if it's lower than expected, then we could actually rally up easier. And then, you know, a bullish market structure could be confirmed much more quickly. So that's something you have to take into account. But for now, it's either this, and this looks more likely at this point in time, or for some reason we drop down and we close below 29,500, after which we're just back into this weird consolidation between 29,700 and 28,800. All right, so those are the two scenarios. Like I said, I think this is more likely, but personally, I'm still prepared for both scenarios. So yeah, that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.